Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Dropbox Smart Sync on Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Dropbox installed on your Windows 11 computer. Open the Dropbox application by double-clicking the Dropbox icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Once the application is open, sign in to your Dropbox account if prompted. In the Dropbox interface, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the window. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select Preferences to access the Settings panel. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab on the left sidebar. Look for the Smart Sync section within the Sync tab. You will see an option labeled Smart Sync. Make sure it is enabled. Once Smart Sync is enabled, you can choose the default setting for new files. To adjust the settings for existing folders, open your Dropbox folder in File Explorer. Right-click on any folder you wish to configure for Smart Sync. From the context menu, hover over the Smart Sync option. You will see choices for local, online only, and automatic. Select online only to save hard drive space by keeping files. If you prefer to have the files readily available offline, select local. Repeat this process for any other folders or files you wish. To check the Smart Sync status of files, look for a small icon next to each file. The cloud icon indicates that a file is stored online only. The green checkmark signifies that a file is stored locally on your device. You can change the settings at any time based on your needs. Once you finish configuring your folders, close the Preferences window. Your settings will be saved automatically, and Smart Sync will start managing your files. With Smart Sync set up, you can easily save disk space while keeping access to all your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.